on in. And of course, I'm sure you've heard me say this so many times. One of the joys of being in this town, I go to the Restore in Orillia, and this has $10 on it, this couch. So I go to pay. She said, "Sir, that is a mistake." I said, "Really?" She said, "Yes." I said, "How much is it?" She said, "Today is Senior's Day. It's $5." So I've been buying all these beautiful couches. Half of them will end up down in Toronto in the new wing, but that was expensive. That was $5 and $50 to get it here. That's $55 all in. But look at it. It's early American from the 40s. Beautifully recovered. Look at the deco coffee table. Like, the town has stuff that they don't realize. So in the meantime, we've just been throwing everything in here, just as I have at 114 Elgin. I've got another 70 pages in here. And this has been a great space, pre-COVID. When people say to me, "How come you don't rent it out to somebody?" And I don't need tenants. This is so lovely to keep it empty and pristine and elegant. And when the right person shows up, hopefully, through whether it's because of the auction or whatever, and I can sell another piece, I'm okay. That's what's going to happen.